Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be just kind of fun. We are going to get our Christmas tree right now, so I thought it'd be kind of fun to share with you guys decorating our tree, and then also just share like some of the Christmas decor I have around the house, just kind of like a fun casual holiday video to get us all in the Christmas spirit. So this is actually not our first time trying to get a tree. We tried to get a tree the other day.
We did. There were not many trees out because it was before Thanksgiving.
It was the day before Thanksgiving, and the only reason we were doing that, well, I mean, if you want to decorate before Thanksgiving, I no judgment, because I'm all about starting Christmas early. But mainly because, if you don't already know, I am 39, just about 40 weeks pregnant, so we were trying to get all the Christmas decorations done before she is here, because we do want to have our house decorated, but obviously that gets a lot more difficult with a newborn. But it is now the Saturday after Thanksgiving, so 2 days later, so we're gonna go get it today. I don't think she's coming out anytime soon, so we've got some time to get it decorated. Okay guys, we are home and we've got our cute little tree here, so I'll show you guys in a second. I'm thinking I'm going to obviously start with putting lights on it. That's always the first thing. I want to put some elf on, and I've got my diffuser going and just, you know, getting in the Christmas spirit here. But yeah, so I'm definitely gonna start with putting the lights on it, and then to be honest, I'm probably gonna actually decorate it tomorrow because I'm just like getting a little tired, guys, and I feel like I'm gonna want to rest and not be on my feet for hours because I like to kind of go a little crazy when decorating. I mean, who doesn't? But yeah, so either way, we're definitely getting the lights on today, and I can't wait to show you. Okay, so here is our cute little tree. It definitely needs to like fall a little more. It's still pretty like tight and compact, but this is actually like the smallest tree we've ever gotten in this house. Normally I go super wide and it takes up that entire corner because I just love like a huge full tree. But because baby girl is coming, I just wanted something that was a little less overwhelming for this space, because we're gonna have like probably like a rock and play over there, and I want her to have plenty of room so she's not like up against the tree. That would not be very cool. So here is our tree before we do anything to it. And then for all of my oily friends out there, if you're wondering what I'm diffusing, it smells so good in here. I've got some Christmas Spirit, of course, because this is literally the best holiday oil ever. It's like holiday cheer in a bottle. Then I've got some peppermint as well, and then some cinnamon bark. It seriously smells so good. Hey guys, so it is now like a few days later, and we are finally getting around to decorating the tree. Obviously all the lights are already up, but now we're finally decorating. It's kind of like a race against time because who knows when this baby's gonna show up. She's still in there, so we still have some time, obviously. So today we're gonna get the tree done and we're gonna share with you how we're decorating it. I will show you guys all of the ornaments that I have. I bought, like the first year that we moved in, I bought a bunch of ornaments. And I honestly just reuse the ones, like the same ones every year. I don't like go crazy and like pick a new theme. Not that I don't think that's cool, but I don't know, I just don't. But our tree this year is actually like a lot smaller, and it actually fits way better in this space. But that means we're not gonna probably be able to use as many ornaments. So I am gonna switch it up a little bit because I'll show you guys. I have a lot of like gold and silver ornaments, but I also have a lot of like pops of red usually too. But I think I'm gonna like scale back on the red. Maybe have a little bit of red, but mainly like golds and silver and like some burlap. And I think it's gonna look really cool. Okay, so here's kind of like the ornament collection we have going. These ones are from Target. They're really pretty. There's like matte gold, sparkly gold, and then shiny gold, but they're very like muted cool tone, which I love. And then these are also from Target, and they're the exact same thing, but just in like a jumbo version, and I love those. And then back here, these are just like classic, you know, ball ornaments, and then these are like kind of cool little shapes. These are actually from, I think, Christmas tree shops, which I'm pretty sure is like a national store, chain, whatever, and they're so cheap, and they've actually, like, we're going on year 3 and they're still going strong, so that's pretty good. And then I also have, these are also from Christmas tree shop. I think these are probably the only red ones I'm gonna put on the tree. We'll see. I might not even use those at all, but just like mainly this kind of color scheme and just a few pops of those. I also have these cute little fluff balls. I wish I had more. I wish I had like double or triple the amount that I have. And they're actually from Christmas tree shops, and I actually went back to see if I could find more this year, but unfortunately I couldn't find any. And then I even looked at like Target to try and find more of like just like white, I don't know, I just wanted some more like white fluffy accents, or just like white accents in general, but I couldn't find any. However, I did, this is the only thing I got new this year. I got 2 of these packs of like gold bows. These are from Target. These are definitely more for like wrapping. You can see they just have like twist ties on the back. I'm not like totally sure how I'm going to like get these to stay on the tree, but I feel like I can probably figure out a way to attach these to the branches in a way that looks really cool. But I just thought that those were really cute, and I kind of wanted something something new just to like spice it up. And then I have a bunch of burlap, which when I first did this like years ago, I just used like little teeny tiny gold strings that actually came like with the cheap ornaments to hang them up, but I don't use those. I use the hooks, and I just went through and made like little ties all throughout just to make it look more like gathered, and kind of like when it's on the tree it just looks better than like a flat ribbon. So I always put that on. And then this is usually what we top our tree with. This is also burlap. It's just like this red and white bow. Oh, and then I just found these in this bag. I totally forgot about these. These are definitely from Michael's. I got these last year and I didn't even end up using them. So these are just kind of like a very, kind of like a silver gold, whatever you would call that color. I think those are really pretty. And then I also found these cute little guys. These are like little pearl mini ornaments. So I don't know if I will use those, but like I said, I really wanted to kind of stick with this color this year and have like little more, like a lot more white, which I don't really have, but these could at least kind of add to that. So I might end up using those too. So those are all of our ornaments, nothing too crazy, but we are gonna get started and start decorating this tree. Okay guys, so our tree is all decorated. I love the way that it turned out. Very similar to last year. I feel like next year, now I like totally want to switch it up now that this is like year 3 of doing a very similar tree, but I do love the look. It's simple, lots of just like golds, some pops of reds, and I love the burlap. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed watching us, well, mainly me, decorate our tree, but that's okay. I love doing it. I enjoy it. I think it's really fun. Oh, and also, I didn't mention this before. I feel like I'm gonna get questions, but our tree skirt, this like reddish, I don't know, tree skirt, is from Home Goods that I got like years ago. So if you guys are wondering where that is from. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope it was just kind of fun and different and just kind of got you in the holiday spirit. But that is it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram so we can hang out on there. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.